Hey guys, it's Dylan from EduVape, and today we will be introducing our very own COVID-19 series. In this series, we will be discussing 4 in-depth topics, including mouth-to-mouth dissemination, facts and statistics, the science behind social distancing, and how vaping affects the lung. I'm sure that you guys already know about the current COVID-19 situation. Now, the coronavirus is the same as many other viruses in the aspect that it uses spikes made out of glycoprotein to latch onto other healthy cells. And viruses do this to pump its own DNA into the healthy cell, thereby making it unhealthy. And it actually replicates the unhealthy cell to produce more unhealthy cells to take over the rest of the cells of the body. That was a lot of cells. It is also important to note that the coronavirus comes from an RNA-stranded family, not a DNA-stranded one, and this therefore makes it easier for the virus to mutate. And that is why you have been hearing all those talks about the second wave, as many speculate that the coronavirus will mutate into an even deadlier virus. And that is why you need to stay at home. We cannot stress the importance of shelter in place until the virus alleviates. Now, we will be discussing the actual implications the coronavirus poses on your health in a later video, but for now, I'll pass it on to Arav.
Hey guys, this is Arav. Before I continue on with my part of the video, just for a moment, close your eyes and remember how beautiful the world really is. Okay, so before Braden introduces the 4 topics in our COVID series, I would just like to briefly talk generally about the relationship between COVID-19 and vaping. Both of these diseases relate to problems with the respiratory system, specifically the lungs. For example, when one vapes, they inhale toxic chemicals that go down your trachea and into your lungs, where they fester and brew and start to slowly destroy lung tissue. On the other hand, COVID-19, short for Coronavirus Disease 2019, is like any other virus that attacks our body's immune system, specifically our lungs and our respiratory tracts. Therefore, if you vape, you may be at higher risk of contracting COVID-19, and when you do, its symptoms will be far more severe. It's always good to talk to you guys, and I hope you guys are being all safe and healthy. And with that, here's Braden.
Hey, what's up everyone? So I'm going to briefly describe the 4 main topics of our series, which include mouth-to-mouth dissemination, facts and statistics, the sciences behind social distancing, and finally, how vaping affects your lungs. Alright, so for the first video of our series, which is mouth-to-mouth dissemination, it can be briefly described as spreading germs via saliva or mouth-to-mouth contact. This can include kissing, sharing drinks or food, or sharing vape pens.
For the next video of our series, we'll be providing
facts and statistics
linked to vaping and COVID-19.
And for the third video of our series, we're going to be talking about the sciences behind social distancing and how social distancing can, in turn, reduce your chances of contracting coronavirus. Finally, in the last video, we're going to be talking about how vaping affects your lungs and what happens on a physiological scale in your body.